All right, finished with our successful day remote working in Disney Springs. Really, really cold in there. So I had my sweatshirt on and a vest actually. My favorite table was taken over by a few people that were just there the whole entire day. But that's okay. There's plenty, the Wi-Fi was perfect. Charging stations were pretty much everywhere. Where we stood, there was a charging station underneath a bench. So that worked out really perfectly. So we had coffee, we had Wi-Fi, we had a really great workstation. So that was a fantastic day, just a little bit cold, whatever. Okay, well, we're in Disney Springs. Wine by George. Pretty busy day. There's Jack, Lindsay's Hangar Bar. We were there last February, I think, but we got to sit in the diving bell seats, which is really awesome. I don't know, people are kind of looking at me weird as I'm wearing my lots of clothes for sort of 83-degree weather. But, you know, you do what you do, right? There you go. That's the boathouse over here. What a gorgeous day today is. Joffrey's. You can get Joffrey's coffee over on Amazon. That is one place where you can pretty much get everything. I don't think it's the same though when you on site, on property, drinking Joffrey's coffee versus ordering it online and have it delivered. But I don't know, it's definitely not the same. But if you want your Disney kick, that is one way to do it. We also happen to have one of those Mickey waffle makers. We have I'll link it down below, but I think it's the Gold's brand. I could be wrong, but that actually gets you the Mickey waffle taste, which is pretty close. I mean, I have had Disney waffles, all shapes and sizes, simple waffles, Mickey waffles, Chandrola waffles, our Mickey waffle maker does a really good job imitating the taste of it and the texture. Does a really good job. My husband Mike actually is really good at making it. Me not so much. I'm not much of a cook. Give me a microwave. That's the extent of my cooking. Well, we're at T-Rex. I think it's the same people that own the Rainforest Cafe. It's basically Rainforest Cafe with dinosaurs. Pretty neat. I mean, you know, if you're into this stuff. Food is meh. But, you know, again, if you have kiddos that are into dinosaurs, a T-Rex Cafe, I think it should be interesting. I mean, there's a big line, so it sounds like people are interested. And there's Uniqlo. This brand, I think you can just pretty much find anywhere. But what's interesting about that place is that they have kind of like Uniqlo by Disney type of stuff, where you can get Disney merch for fairly cheap. I mean, if you get Disney logos t-shirts for not your typical Disney pricing, that's always a plus. All right, we're gonna try to find the bus stop. Wish me luck. I am pretty horrible. Oh, speaking of Rainforest Cafe, there is the Disney Spring version of it, and coming up on the Lego store, as well as the World of Disney, and that's a huge store. So, and the dragon, I don't think that's Elliot, but looks kind of similar. We got your Star Wars figurines. We got Kylo and Rey and Chewie. There's Stormtrooper over here. And I think that's Captain Plasma, other than just a regular old Stormtrooper. And let's see, what else do we have? Well, we have the whole Maleficent dragon scene from Sleeping Beauty, maybe? I'm assuming that's yeah. Okay, and there's Sleeping Beauty, and there's Cinderella. Oh, wow, maybe I Have I not noticed these two figurines before? World Disney. On the other side, they have Stitch, who spits just like the camel in Adventureland with the camels. So, you know, Stitch will periodically spit at you. So be very careful. But on a hot day, I'm sure, you know, you're probably not gonna be too offended if you got by Stitch. Okay. Let's see what else is over here. Oh, Amaret's Patisserie. Beautiful, very elaborate cakes and little desserts over there. Good place to go if you're into, you know, like little rose-shaped cakes, and I think tea. Amazing. Yeah, for Amaret's Patisserie, I believe you can actually sign up for a class now to make a cake. Haven't done that yet. Maybe that's gonna be on the list next. But yeah, ooh, that smells really good. What are we coming up on? Polite Pig. Oh, that smells amazing. It's that that barbecue smells incredible. Oh yeah, so this is Uniqlo, like I mentioned. There's a lot of specialty items here that would not be available in other Uniqlos before. You know how they have their collabs with Disney. Yeah, see, for $40 for a sweatshirt, that's a decent deal, right? What else? Yeah, they have t-shirts for $25. That's not bad at all. We're coming up on the Little Mermaid, some princesses. This is super cute. We got Jasmine and Rapunzel and Belle. Yeah, so again, if you're looking for cheaper, I suppose, Disney merch that's actually officially by Disney, you look Uniqlo is a good place to stop by. Okay, we're gonna try to see if we can find a bus stop that'll take us to one of the probably one of the Skyliner resorts, so we can head to Epcot. Again, no plans today, just see what we can do. Maybe we'll ride either Frozen or Ratatouille, get in line when it's kind of late. Last time I think we rode Frozen after we had dinner at Akasus, and jumped in line 8:59, a minute before park closed. Again, the beauty of Disney is that they will let you hop in line. You know, even as long as it's before park closing, you know, they'll try to accommodate everybody to ride the rides before even after park closes. So the Lovepop shop is pretty cool. It's kind of like a specialty card place. They have like 3D designs. Mike actually sent me a bouquet of roses that is very similar to this one. Actually, not quite. He sent me the long stem version of it. It's all made of paper, but they're just super neat. I mean, again, you would have never thought this is made of sort of paper. They're kind of like pop-up cards. So maybe I'll take you in. Yeah, so just super impressive. Yeah, so, and he also gave me here we go. This is the one that we have in our house. This is beautiful. It's Valentine's Day again, so again, it's just super cute. All right, so that's your pop-up cards. So if you're looking for some gift ideas, Disney Springs has a store. Can you imagine? Those are all made of paper. It's just so cool. All right, off we go. And and then I dub this as sort of the generic store area. Under Armour, Superdry. I think there's a Sephora around here as well. Yeah, it's kind of your shopping district. So if you're just looking for more non-Disney gear, more generic stuff, this is the way to go. But yeah, I think this should be it. Let's see, yeah, Shore, a couple other stores, Anthropology, yeah, the things that you probably would recognize wherever you're coming from. Sephora, obviously. I actually had to buy a couple things from here. Zara. It's just a beautiful day. I'm still wearing my vest and my sweatshirt. People are still looking at me like I'm totally crazy, but after spending a whole day in AC in the frozen tundra of Starbucks, it actually feels really nice and warm. All right, we'll catch up with you. I think I found the exit where the bus stop is. I will catch up with you in a little bit.